They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Y'all already know if you've been tuning in over here, you done pulled up the HoodMoney investing. This is the block market. This is the 25th of November, my birthday. And that is one of the reasons why I wanted to show you beginner investors and traders like myself what's going on so we can have something to remember, on this momentous day that I call the day I was born. Oh, man, Lord, twinkle in my mother's eye. But let's get serious. The real reason I want to show this is because we've had a lot of good things taking place in my portfolio at the moment. And like I told you, I want to show this for those beginner investors and traders out there that may be a little bit hesitant about investing in stocks and looking into the market. I was the same. And, I took my time to research, educate myself, and inform myself on things that I didn't know. And I have to say that I'm thankful that I jumped in to the game. I was willing to go out there and risk my life at times, just stepping out of the house. So, getting into the market is nothing. You're not going to die, once again, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investing guru. If you get into the market, please make sure you do your research, do your homework, make sure you get some financial assistance, some tutelage. Please make sure you do that. And again, I want to say that I'm showing this because not only because it's my birthday, shout out to, me and others out there that are enjoying their birthday as well throughout the month, throughout the year, because this isn't just about me. I want to send, blessings in financial freedom energy to those like me and the misfortunate as well. You see what I'm saying? And this is one of the ways that I've learned how to do it on the block market. So if you're looking for Wall Street, you made a wrong turn. This is HoodMoney investing. So let's get into it. I want to talk about these few plays real quick that I have been making and that I will continue to make for months to come. Sometimes you have to stick to one or two stocks, learn them, and that's what I'm starting to, understand. Basically, being in the game, watching GameStop has given me a lot. It's taught me a lot, and I'm still making a lot of mistakes. I am still novice. I'm still a beginner, but we're starting to learn how to flip, chip, Tostito dip some of these stocks. You see what I'm saying? And get that that mozzarella, get that dip, and get that cheese, that profit, and I just want to show you a couple plays. We got VALE, we got LCA, NNDM, Party City. I feel like if everything with the COVID going on or the vid, everything with the vid going on, that could potentially bring Party City stock down, if everything closes up. And with VALE, this is a mining company that has the potential to partner up with EV companies. One that most people started eyeing this company because of was Tesla. And me personally, I am not jumping in on just for Tesla. VALE has a history of having a stock. This stock was higher. They've had a lot of things happen around their company as well, as far as deaths. Just all types of things. That's why I want you guys to read, do your own research, but with the partnerships that they have and the things that they, the work that they do, I just see that this company is still going to prevail. They still have a few contracts that they have. And I just think without Tesla, if they happen to get with an EV company that is evolving, that people are excited about, it could potentially take VALE's stock price to another level. LCA, which is Landcadia Holdings. Let's take y'all here. Landcadia Holdings. This is, I think, involving gaming, if I'm not mistaken. I did a little homework on this, and I basically felt like with that homework, if the meeting goes right today on my birthday, that this stock could potentially rise. I caught it around, I tried to catch it around 1690 something when it was opening up, but I ended up missing it. I think I caught it at like 17, but I think that this stock, with all the research that some of these analysts has been doing and the little homework that I've done, I can see that company actually, doubling, or at least getting to what, $25, $27. That's Landcadia Holdings. And with VALE, man, it's no telling how high VALE could go. After the deal was done with Tesla and what was that company? Lithium. Is it Piedmont Lithium? That was the company's name. Once they did once we heard about the little agreement or deal that Tesla did with Piedmont Lithium, boom, Piedmont Lithium shot through the roof. So that's one of the reasons why I feel like VALE has the potential to, do the same thing. NNDM, to most of you beginners out there like myself, or intermediate, higher, a little bit higher than myself, about NNDM and the potential that it has with 3D printing. Sometimes it takes people time to catch up to innovation. And NNDM, has, great applications for 3D printing, and the things that it could possibly bring to life are, endless, and I believe this already being done. I mean, I've seen bridges that's been 3D printed. I've seen teeth, I've seen arms. I mean, I've seen all types of things used with 3D printing. And now I think with technology evolving, coming into the age that we're coming into with technology, I just think we're coming into the, right moment for these things that's, been used for years now, but as society starts to get these things, they're more of an understanding for the use, the use of them, and that's pretty much it. We still wait for GameStop to, do the twist, and explode. We're right now, so our total return is 784 right now, 300 in. Which is a small amount to the major investors out there. Try to get as deep as I can on this portfolio in NND. We got Sasol. I want to grab some more. This is a plant in New Jersey, man. They do a few things with resources, energy. I think they do a little bit of mining as well, if I'm not mistaken. Fuel cell energy. I've been grabbing this since, like I said, man. If I can just show this real quick, man. I grabbed fuel cell energy back in February 10th. It's almost been almost a year. That's like 8 months, ago when I started grabbing. And, based on hydrogen and biofuel and, everything that's taking place with the EV market, you can expect this type of stock to rise as well. And not just that, they are, doing some good things. The SPY, I hold on to that because it moves with tech. UVXY, I've already told you guys this. Hexos, I just went 100 with that because Hexos in the future, it could potentially jump to, 12, 13, 14 bucks, depending on the Democratic Party and how everything moves right with that in politics, So I figure why not go 100 in it? I'm willing to waste it based on, what could possibly happen with politics. It's, even though everything's up and down right now at the moment, hey man, it's just a play I'm willing to take my chances on. 4 Teslas at the moment, we up in Tesla, 552 total return, 4 of them, 1 Apple, which I've been thinking about getting rid of and just putting it into ARK Invest, even though I'm not sure about what Kathy Wood's going to do. I'm going to keep on keeping myself informed around that. Square, I would love to get at least 5 to 10 more, plug, maybe get 5 or 10 more of these. I'm not really interested in deepening my positions, any more just Neo, Givo, I'll deepen my position in that because I believe in the future Givo would definitely be a good resource for the transition from gas and to biofuel. Probably deepen my position more in OPTT because I do believe in that technology that they're using as far and as well using natural resources as far as the waves, from waves from the ocean, and then they also make generators. I've come to find that out. They make generators as well. So with the things that I've been reading about this company and seeing, I'm holding them for the long haul. ARC, like I said, depending on what Kathy Woods is going to do, I'm going to wait and then deepen my position before this explodes and gets too high because ARC definitely picks great companies and stocks. So definitely don't want to miss that train if she decides to stay. Grab some more fuel, some more NMD. And there are some other stocks that I'm looking at, but I'll wait and put them on another portfolio. I feel like opening up another one. I already have 4. So at the moment, I want to open up another one and just kind of, slow grind that one and see based on the experience that I've been having, how far can I take that new one? So this is pretty much the plays for the for this week. I made them last week, a few of them week before that. I'm going along with the VALE. This is in April. You got February, January, December, and right now I'm pretty much doing pretty good. My account is rising. Within the last week, we've made two. That's not bad, 24%. So I just want to keep continuing to take my time. I don't want to allow the haters out there to discourage. And I want to give a big shout out to Nano's Knees because this subscriber or viewer or potential beginner, intermediate or whatever, it doesn't matter. This just is, in my eyes, I think this is it's a great person. I appreciate the confidence that Nano's Knees, I hope I'm saying the name right, that they gave me. I have a lot of confidence as well, but I just didn't have a lot as far as keeping the comments to for you guys. I didn't want you to feel some type of way just in case you make a mistake and there's people on the page like trying to, shoot down the things that I'm doing and, trying to make it like, people are mimicking me and I don't know what I'm doing. When I've said, and I say it all throughout the video that I'm a beginner as well, so I'm not out here bragging or trying to make people think I know everything because I don't. I'm far from it. I'm learning so much and I know that I haven't learned a lot because when you see professionals say that they're still learning and they've been doing it for 20, 30 years, you don't know shit. You know what I'm saying? So, and then you realize that the market moves how it wants, and it's easy to see why they don't know anything. You know what I mean? Or know as much as they think they know, even though they've been doing it as long as they have. You see what I'm saying? So, I want to think that, person, like I said, Nano's Knees or Nano's Knees, I will appreciate you, saying this is what she or he said. You should leave those comments, even negative ones. Prove them wrong with success. And you're right. You are 100% right. I got to stay focused. I got to stay disciplined. And I have to, show what will happen when you do those things and you stay positive. So I want to give a shout out to Nano's Knees, and to all those other beginner investors and traders out there. I hope you had a great week. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving with your family. Even though I don't celebrate holidays, it's about getting with your family, making memories, and having conversations about stocks and how to, enhance financial freedom and bring back wealth, to black, brown, and poor people. All all those out there. I don't care what color you are, if you're poor, if you're black, you're brown, you know, we got to get it back, man, because the wealthy has definitely stepped on us long enough. You know what I'm saying? So please, man, talk about your family to stocks, talk about your family to invest in, talk to your family about different ways to make money, and hopefully they'll listen to you, and hopefully y'all can find financial freedom. This is Hood Money Investing. This is the block market. I appreciate everybody that's tuned in. These are my plays for the week and for the next, 3 or 4 months. I hope you make some great plays. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investing guru. I am just a beginner investor here, taking the ride, taking this journey with you, showing you the potential chances, showing you the potential, showing you the chances that I'm taking, the risk that's out there, but the benefits as well when you take the time, educate yourself, inform yourself, about what's going on in investing, the stocks, and in the market, So thank you. This is Hood Money Investing. And, it's my birthday. We're going to record it. We're going to keep it here. And please, if you got a comment, leave it down in the comment box. You got some strategies. You got some tips. You got some stocks to throw out there that you see in the mix. Please give it to us so we can all get rich. You dig? This is Hood Money Investing.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you all in the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.